So, are you someone who is just getting into using your tarot cards for intuitive animal communication? Here are some things you may experience at the beginning of your journey. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. Animal communication and tarot card reading can be a great combination to bring more tangibility to the intuitive communication that we have with animals and nature around us. With communication, we can connect directly with the animals to understand their thoughts and feelings and create a safe space for them to express themselves. However, it can be quite intangible, and here comes the hero, our tarot cards. Tarot cards can bring in more tangibility to our communication by bringing about specific issues through the visuals the card represent. So, in case you're someone who's interested and in case you're someone who has just started using your tarot cards for your animal communication, these are some common things we experience during the beginning of our journey. Number one, the sheer curiosity of how it is to be done and what to expect. I remember when I started using my tarot cards for communication, it was something that really thrilled me. I literally used to have dreams of using my tarot cards for animal communication. And this is in fact when I was already into tarot cards for many years and I had just started communicating with animals intuitively. So, the thought of using tarot cards for communication was extremely exciting, and that excitement could also bring some nervousness and some self doubt. So, while the number one thing could be a huge surge in your curiosity, the number two thing could be that you may feel a heavy feeling of self doubt. You may be unsure of the meanings, you don't know how to connect appropriately, you don't know if the meaning of the tarot cards are actually resonating with to the questions that you're asking the animal. You may feel like you don't know if the animal is connected to your tarot cards, etc. etc. Please note that these self-doubt is a part and parcel of our journey. Do not dismiss them, acknowledge them. It will only help you grow. Whenever you have a doubt, learn more about the meanings, learn more about what the animal wishes to share with you, learn more about how to appropriately interpret certain card for a certain question. That is how you will get better at it. Even if you don't remember the in-depth meaning, just one word meaning of the card could be really helpful in helping you understand what the animal wishes to share with you through the tarot cards that you have drawn. So, number one is curiosity, number two is self doubt. The third thing you will see is that slowly and steadily, as you start practicing, you will be easily able to connect the card to the question asked and what the animal wishes to share. It will become easier for you without dealing with the self doubt, as you also become thorough with the meanings of the cards. So, as soon as you get thorough with the cards in terms of the meanings and how they show themselves in certain situations, it will slowly and steadily get easier for you as compared to the first few times that you may have done tarot card reading for intuitive animal communication. Number four, you will start connecting deeply with your cards as well. Not just when you are communicating with animals with the use of the cards, but also when you are just doing tarot card readings for yourself or others. You will instantly understand the deeper insights each card wants to share, and you will find yourself going beyond just the meaning that you have learned from a teacher or Google or books. So you will understand the deeper meanings of the cards. And 5, you will start seeing synchronicities and patterns not just within the cards but also around you. As you start using your tarot cards for intuitive animal communication, you will instantly intuitively connect with your cards as well. So, besides what you already know about the cards, there will be certain messages that come to you which may actually not directly be related to the card but would still make sense to the questions being asked and the topics being discussed with the animal. Not just that, you will start seeing patterns around you that relate to your cards, and it will help you understand the synchronicities that exist in nature that help us connect better with every energy around us. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have something to add or if you want to share your experiences in the initial days of using your tarot cards for intuitive communication with animals and nature, please comment it in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other's experiences. Until the next video, bye-bye.